Today we're featuring a 2014 Ford Mustang V6. It's got 51,000 miles on it. It's got a clean Carfax report. It's this really nice silver metallic in color. I'll go ahead and give you the walk around of the vehicle. Go ahead and start down the driver's side here. Everything's in really good shape. Alright, nice little Mustang decal going right down the side of it there. Everything looks good. Go ahead and make our way across the back of the vehicle. Does have the dual exhaust on there. Everything looked good there. Down the passenger side. Everything's in good shape. Alright, just a small little nick right there in the paint, but it has been painted over. Not a big deal, it's really small. Almost missed it walking by there. Alright, everything's in good shape. Once again, it's got 51,000 miles on it. It's a 2014. Let's go ahead and take a look on the inside. The all black door panel's in good shape. Does have a really cool perforated insert right here, leather insert. Alright, power driver's seat. Leather here is in good shape. White stitching, really cool feature. Alright, but it does have this nice perforated insert. Okay, leather looks good there. Passenger seat's in good shape as well. Check that out, and we'll go ahead and fold the front seat up here. Let you check out the back seat. Really cool racing seats back here. Alright, same perforated insert there. The white stitching, really sharp. Leather back here is in great shape. I'm going to put that back up. Alright, it's automatic. It's a V6. Does have a keyless fob with it. Alright, it's equipped with Microsoft Sync, CD player. Alright, we'll turn that on for you in a second. Leather wrapped steering wheel, Bluetooth steering wheel audio controls. Alright, steering wheel's in great shape. Alright, another shot of your shaker audio system. Alright, we have the AC going now for about 10 minutes. Everything's blowing cold with the air conditioner. I'll go ahead and scan over here, give you a shot of the mileage. 51,973 miles on it. Alright, go ahead and give you a shot of the trunk. Alright, carpet's in good shape back here. Go ahead and step to the side so you kind of get the depth on how deep the trunk is. Plenty of space back here. Big enough to hold a set of golf clubs, a couple suitcases. Alright, carpet's in good shape. Go ahead and close that. Go ahead and open up the passenger side of the vehicle for you. Alright, check out this angle of the passenger seat. Okay, as you can see, the leather's great shape. No problems there. Everything looks good through the dash. Alright, door panel's in great shape. Alright, go ahead and close this, get you a shot of the wheels and tires. Alright, Mustang is equipped with 17-inch alloys. Alright, and these are a brand new set of tires. Okay, you can see the depth there in the tread. Alright, those look really good. Once again, guys, this is a 2014 Ford Mustang. It's a V6. It's got 51,000 miles on it. It's got a clean Carfax. Come down, check it out, take a test drive, and thanks for watching the video.